Skywork SH300 is a high-performance drone that integrates spraying and transportation, rapid deployment and efficient operation, with a large capacity and heavy load capability, safe, reliable, and highly efficient, enhancing farm operational efficiency while increasing production and income. Key features include an 8-axis folding design for easy assembly and disassembly, significantly reducing operational costs. The spray tank has a capacity of 100 liters and is equipped with 4 centrifugal nozzles. The droplet size can be adjusted from 30 to 500 microns, with an effective spray width of 8-15 meters, covering up to 35 hectares per hour. With high-flow dual pumps, a maximum flow rate of 24 liters per minute, and powerful penetration, the drone is equipped with a dual external filtration system that prevents clogging during spray. Its design allows for quick disassembly and efficient loading. The drone features an 1080p FPV camera with bright LED night lights, providing real-time high-definition images for efficient day and night operations. For safety, the SH300 is equipped with front and rear obstacle avoidance radar, as well as terrain tracking radar, ensuring a safer and more stable flight experience. The 5.5-inch ultra-bright screen remote control features built-in ground station operations and real-time voice broadcasts. With a 5-kilometer remote control range, the highly integrated flight control system supports one-click takeoff, low battery return, as well as fully automatic, at-point, and manual operation modes. The dual battery system and 9 kilowatts high-power charger support fast charging of 2 batteries, reaching full charge in just 15 minutes, allowing for continuous operation. This is the Skywork 2025 SH300, your ultimate flying workhorse.